Uh, our first guest today is live from Ranchi. Her name is Rinki Kumari, and Rinki Kumari is the captain of the Yuva Bharat Football Association. She is the captain of the team. तो रिंकी कुमारी जी, मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? मैं अर्नब गोस्वामी बोल रहा हूं, आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? रिंकी, आपको आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, यस।
तो रिंकी, यू कैन हियर मी? अच्छा, तो रिंकी, ये हमने देखा कि आपने जितना अच्छा ये परफॉर्मेंस किया स्पेन में, सारे देश ने आज देखा, हमारे चैनल में हमने दिखाया। तो आपको पहली बात यह है कि जब वहां पे आप थे, जब वहां पे तिरंगा लहरा रहा था, वहां पे जब सब आपको तीसरा स्थान मिला, वहां पे तो कैसा लगा आपके और आपके टीम को? इस जीत पर आपको कैसा लगा?
हम लोग को वहाँ बहुत खुशी हो रही थी, क्योंकि हम लोग थर्ड स्थान पर आए थे। हम लोग को पहले इनवाइट किया गया कि तुम लोग साड़ी पहन के आओ, फिर हम लोग को लेने के लिए गए वहाँ। तो फिर लेने के लिए गए, फिर हम लोग आए, तो फिर एक साथ मिलकर हम लोग को गिफ्ट दिए, कप दिए। फिर वहाँ अपना प्रोग्राम भी दिखाए, वहाँ हम लोग अपना डांस भी किए और कुछ किए थे, और फिर हम लोग को कप दिए। फिर हम लोग आए, फिर वहाँ हम लोग बहुत डांस भी किए थे।
ये सुना रिंकी कि वहाँ पे अच्छा, और फिर जब ये गैस्टीज कप में जब आपको तीसरा स्थान मिला, बहुत बड़ी ये अचीवमेंट है आपसे, तो उस वक्त दूसरे खिलाड़ी थे दूसरे देश से, तो आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कहां से आया? कॉन्फिडेंस मतलब आपको इतना विश्वास कहां से आया कि आप जीत सकते थे? हिम्मत कहां से आई आप में, जो आपको इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया आपने?
हम लोग झारखंड की रहने वाली है, इसीलिए हम लोग को बहुत ताकत रहता है, बहुत हिम्मत रहता है। हम लोग घर में भी काम करते हैं, फिर मैदान भी आते हैं, इसीलिए हम लोग को बहुत हिम्मत से काम ले रहे थे। फिर हम लोग स्पेन गए, तो वहाँ हम लोग दूसरा ग्राउंड में खेलते थे। यहाँ हम लोग मिट्टी के ग्राउंड में खेलते थे, तो वहाँ प्लास्टिक के होता था ग्राउंड, उससे हम लोग खेलते थे। तो हम लोग बहुत हिम्मत से खेले थे कि हम लोग जीत के ही जाएंगे, यहाँ का गैस्टी कप लेके ही जाएंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ताकत लगाए, बहुत।
रिंकी, और वापस जब आप आए, एक बात कह सकता हूं आपसे कि मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, बट वी आर ऑल वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू। हाँ, हम बहुत आप पर हम सब लोग बहुत गर्व करते हैं। वी आर प्राउड ऑफ यू। हमको आपके और आपके जो सारी टीम है युवा भारत फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन, हमको और हमारे सारे देश को बहुत गर्व है आप पे। वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू रिंकी। आप सबको कह दीजिए
थैंक यू।
और आपके जो कोच हैं, ये बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं। उनका नाम है फ्रांस गैसलर, एंड ही इज, अभी आप रांची में हैं, आप रांची से आ रहे हैं। अब फ्रांस गैसलर जो है वो आपके कोच है, आपके इंडिया फुटबॉल टीम के फाउंडर है। एंड फ्रांस, you are joining us from California. I also want to tell you this, that I don't care whether the politicians of India learn to recognize true talent, but we are proud of you too. We are incredibly proud of you for what you are doing with these young children.
Well, thank you
I
very
think
much.
it's tremendous work you are doing, friends, and this country owes a debt of gratitude for people like you, friends.
Thank you. There are a lot of Indian people who are doing great things in the U.S. I feel very privileged to be able to be working in India right now and doing something with these kids.
Friends, I want you to just tell us before we continue this discussion, how important this victory is for your team and for these young girls and for Indian football. Why this is so important?
Well, I think it's really important that that people be inspired by these girls, because I think these girls, they're a small group, but they're very indicative of the kind of challenges that that not only young athletes face, but that young women in India face on a daily basis. And I think that they've persevered through a lot of these challenges, and they've got a lot to offer, a lot to teach people, a lot to teach other young people, and a lot to teach, the people whose job it is to support young athletes and young women.
रिंकी, दूसरा एक और सवाल है आपसे कि आपने तैयारी कैसे की? स्पेन में जो प्रतियोगिता थी, इसकी तैयारी कैसे की आपने और आपके टीम ने?
हम लोग यहाँ से हम लोग 5 जन दूसरे गांव से थी, तो हम लोग सबको मिला के एक साथ सब जूम के एक साथ साथ में करते थे। यहाँ मैदान में हम लोग नियम भी करते थे, रनिंग भी करते थे और ग्राउंड का चक्कर भी लगाते थे, और अच्छा खेलने के लिए हम लोग किक भी करते थे, और कैसे हम लोग बन सकते हैं उसे ट्राई भी करते थे। हम लोग बहुत मेहनत किए, फिर दूसरा टीम से भी खेलते थे, बहुत बड़ा आदमी से भी खेलते थे। यहाँ अपोलो के टीम से भी हम लोग खेल रहे थे स्पेन जाने के लिए, क्या है कि हम लोग में हिम्मत आए और फिर एक दूसरे पर विश्वास करें, इसीलिए हम लोग एक साथ में खेलते थे।
फैंटास्टिक। रिंकी जी, आप थोड़ी देर, मैं दूसरे लोगों से भी सवाल करना चाहूंगा। First of all, Novi, joining us on this interesting conversation, Novi Kapadia, sports columnist and expert. Murad Ali Khan is gold medalist at the Commonwealth Games. Member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha of the JMM, Jharkhand's ruling party, Sanjeev Kumar. We are also joined by Ashish Balal, former Indian hockey player, who's joining us. Reeth Abraham, former athlete, is joining us from Bangalore. So we have a lot of sporting greats on this discussion. But I'd first like to ask Subroto Datta and Gulam Rabbani. Subroto Datta represents the All India Football Federation, and Gulam Rabbani represents the Jharkhand Football Association. Mr. Datta, is it not shameful? Is it not shameful that instead of,
yes, of course,
felicitating these girls for that tremendous achievement, your football federation seems to undermine their achievement? And that you actually try to say that this is a so-called tournament. I heard Praful Patel refer to this as a so-called tournament. Isn't it disgraceful? These girls have done the whole country proud. Why don't you share the nation's pride?
We are not. It's not that we are trying to undermine what they have done. They have done a commendable job, but it's a fact that we are not aware of this tournament, and we are still not aware about this club, because it is not an affiliated unit of Jharkhand Football Association, and we were not aware of this tournament.
Mr. Datta,
and they are participating in this tournament.
How can you not be aware? How can you be vice president, senior vice president of All India Football Federation and not be aware?
Right. Because you see, they have not gone through All India Football Federation. It is their individual effort by which they have gone there, and they are no way related to the Jharkhand Football Association or All India Football Federation. So I am not trying to, say that what they have done is not appreciated.
No, why don't you forget your sports politics and your sports associations for a while? I mean, it's your job to keep yourself informed. Murad and Novi are quite shocked at the line that you're taking. Murad, what would you say to Subroto, please?
I think at this point of time, whether it was a recognized tournament, it was not a recognized tournament, the fact remains that these girls have done us proud.
Of course.
And my blood really boils when I see mistreatment or ill treatment of athletes in our country. And that's exactly the situation. 99, we know fully well, almost 100% of our talent dies before it reaches maturity.
Absolutely.
And here we have got certain talent who have been practicing on these grounds without bare equipment, without proper coaching, and they have gone and won the tournament, defeating many teams. Out of the 10 teams, they came third, which is an international team. It's a huge achievement.
It's a huge achievement.
Our motto seems to be that demoralize them, insult them, abuse them,
absolutely,
send them to go out and play.
I don't forget here, 1984, I think even PT Usha broke down and she spoke about how she was shabbily treated by the Sports Authority of India.
It has happened in every international athlete's career in this country, whether it is me or whether it is him. Everybody else has faced this. And we are going through this. We will never learn. We are going back to the same situation again and saying that, you know, this was not recognized.
So my question is to Ghulam Rabbani. You are from the Jharkhand Football Association. What have you done for these girls? What have you done for them? Subroto Datta and Ghulam Rabbani, tell me, what have you done, either of you, for these girls?
Let me tell you, we appreciate what they have done. Okay, it's not that we are trying to undermine what they have done. You see, but since, you see, Indian football also is it's a professional setup. You see, the federation is a professional setup, and there's an organization structure. Organization in all the states.
What is one second. Novi Kapadia is questioning that. Novi Kapadia, go ahead.
Somebody takes.
No, just to give him his due, Subroto Datta and AIFF, it was an invitational tournament, but very correct. They should be aware of these things. Now, see what's happening, Arnab, is that
they should have informed the AIFF.
All India Football Federation is at present in a sort of involved in the fourth battle of Panipat, because the problem, they're trying to set up a franchise-based league with their sponsors. And
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. They can.
They have the rest of the development.
But are they so busy in the business of trying to create a commercially successful venture?
It is not.
No, I'm sorry. You can't wash your hands of this incident. These players were abused when they were trying to go. As far back in April, local authorities were alerted.
Local association should have been more involved.
What did the local association? What did the local association
rather than the AIFF?
Tell me, what did the local association do, sir?
With the girls and
Mr. Rabbani, what did your local association do for these girls? Mr. Rabbani.
It was not known to the association when the team won the tournament and when they come back by winning. It is naturally, it is very proud that girls gone to Spain and return back by winning the trophy. This is proud for Jharkhand. But how we can know when I have told Franco, once Franco meet me, I told Franco to register with your club with the district association of Ranchi, because it is in Ranchi district or Manjhi block.
No, Franz.
But he did not.
So, no, 1 second, sir, 1 second. Franz is with us from California, and Franz has alleged, Franz, if you're still here, Franz has also alleged that 3 out of the 4 girls, and this is the reality of our country, from Jharkhand were slapped. Their ears were twisted. They were slapped, their ears were twisted at an Indian under-13 coaching camp by their coach. Don't just reject this. This is exactly what has happened.
By Panchayat officials,
heroes.
not by any sports authority or any sport officials. That was done by Panchayat officials.
Did you stand up for them? Franz, tell us the reality of what these girls went through, Franz. Why don't you tell Subroto Datta the reality of what these girls went through?
Girls are on the line. You can ask them directly, but there are 2 different incidents. One was when the 4 girls were on the Indian national teams. 3 of them were physically abused by the coach, Anita Sarkar. I brought that to the attention of the AIFF, and Indu Chaudhary, who's in charge of the women's section, said, no, the girls are lying, it's not true. Last time I spoke with Ghulam Rabbani, I called him from the AIFF office in Dwarka in Delhi. He told me he was at a wedding and he didn't have time to talk to me. So these things he's saying, we've never received any support from the Jharkhand Football Association.
Well, there you are.
Did you apply for
there you are, Mr. Rabbani, and I'm glad this conversation is happening live on television tonight, because I think it's very important for our whole country to know what sports associations do on the ground. You get money, you have a lot of money, you can make a change, but they are not making the change. Sanjeev Kumar is Member of Parliament of the JMM. You can make a change. What change will you make, Sanjeev Kumar, in this case? What do you have to say for what's happened?
First of all, I must thank Mr. Friends for his effort, and the girls who are all tribal girls and who have and proud to Jharkhand. And having said this, now we will have to go to the root of the problem, that the tribals are always being discriminated. All the girls are tribal, and from their background, because I also belong to same type of background, they are from very poor background. And apart from the fact that they had been playing football or whatever game they play, they have to do day-to-day work in their fields or in day-to-day. And the amount of effort they had put, you will imagine that apart from the fact that they are very poor, they belong to a very poor background, they are tribals, they are discriminated, and they have achieved this.
So your party took over the government in Jharkhand a week back.
Yes.
I have a request for you. Can I make that request?
Certainly, yes.
It is that these are the girls, and we are very proud of Rinki and her team. Right? And now these are the girls, they were slapped, right? They were kicked, they were made to sweep floors.
Yes,
they were made to sweep floors by arrogant bureaucrats.
And
when they asked for their birth certificates,
yes.
So when they want to play in Spain, they go to get their birth certificate, and these officials slap, kick, and make them sweep their floors. I just want to know from you whether you will take criminal action against those.
No, actually, certainly.
You will.
I will actually, whatever I can do, I will do it. I will talk to Chief Minister directly.
You will make this an issue.
Suggestion. Actually, I am making this statement in your studio. But Arnav, actually,
what support will you give to these girls?
Actually, first of all,
what support can your government give to these girls? I want a commitment on TV tonight.
First of all, I will find out actually about this sweeping thing and slapping thing, and in case they are true, then I will make it sure that all the concerned officers action is taken against them.
Yeah.
First of all. Second, I will talk to directly Chief Minister, and whatever help possible, they should be made available to these girls. This is my statement in front of you in front of your actually the
one
entire
of the
viewer.
Things they could do. Franz told me 3 years ago that he'd collected funds from well-wishers in the USA to create a small stadium for these girls, which would further improve. The previous government in Jharkhand refused permission. Again, it was very bureaucratic. You know, they hadn't joined the Federal Association, probably hadn't greased some palms. So maybe if the government representative is here, that's something that could do. Those funds got lapsed.
You know, Novi, what shocks me is that Novi Kapadia knows about it. The Football Association didn't know.
No, I know lots.
I know you know lots, but the point is,
apart from this, they are from the sports background. Wherever tribals are actually, whether in football or hockey, they are always discriminated.
Yes,
they will understand in this problem.
I agree.
Actually, whatever the problem actually Jharkhand government is supposed to do, I will make sure that they will be done. But in national level, tribals are always discriminated against.
I think if the whole country is proud of Mahendra Singh Dhoni from Jharkhand, who is the captain of India and has done the country proud, we are equally proud of Rinki and her team for what they have done.
Actually, we should be more proud. Actually, because they are from very pathetic background.
Yes, we are.
Actually, in case or not, you go to the places, go to the villages. Actually, they belong to.
Why don't you say to them directly? They'll be very happy to hear from you.
Yes, I will.
रिंकी, आपको आवाज आ रही है हमारी? रिंकी हमारे साथ जो है MP है, सांसद है आपके स्टेट से, इनका नाम संजीव कुमार है, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको?
रिंकी, मैं तुम्हारे और तुम्हारे जितने भी टीम के मेंबर हैं, सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि विपरीत परिस्थितियों में भी तुम लोगों ने झारखंड का ही नहीं, पूरे देश का जो है सो सर जो है सो गर्व से ऊंचा कर दिया। और हम जानते हैं कि तुम लोग किस बैकग्राउंड से हो, जैसे मैं बैकग्राउंड से हूं, गरीब और गांव के बैकग्राउंड से, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि तुम लोग आगे भी अपने राज्य का, अपने ट्राइबल माने सोसाइटी का और देश का नाम जो है ऊंचा रखोगे। और मैं रांची आ रहा हूं, पर्सनली तुमसे मिलूंगा और हमारे लायक जो भी मदद हो सकेगा मैं जरूर करूंगा। ये बात मैं तुमको अभी यहां से पूरे देश के सामने बोलता हूं।
वेरी गुड रिंकी। जो I want to one sec. I have to ask France today what these girls need, and then कहिए रिंकी,
कहिए, आपको जो कहना है बताइए हमको, कहिए।
हम लोग को खेलने के लिए ग्राउंड नहीं मिल रहा है।
हमको पता है कि आप लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था,
पर हम लोग को खेलने के लिए तो ग्राउंड नहीं है।
हम अपने MP लेड फंड से आप लोगों के ग्राउंड का सुविधा मुहैया कराएंगे।
कर रहा है।
हमको पता है वहाँ कैसा सरकार चल रहा था
नहीं मिल रहा है
और कैसे वहाँ पर जो है सो हालात बिगड़े हैं। वो मैं आप लोगों में से एक हूँ, खाली MP बन गए या वकील बन गए, लेकिन मैं भी आप ही लोगों जैसा जंगल से और छोटे गांव से यहाँ तक पहुँचा हूँ। और आप लोगों ने देश का ही नहीं, झारखंड का ही नहीं,
को तो लड़कियां को थप्पड़ मारे भी है।
लड़कियों के साथ
मारे हैं पंचायत सेवक,
लड़कियों को थप्पड़ भी मारे हैं, they've been slapped।
हाँ, तो हमको ये बात पता चला है पहले ही, और आज खाली चूंकि आप लोगों का प्रोग्राम था, हम बाहर जा रहे थे इसलिए स्टूडियो में आए। और मैं आपको यहीं से, इस स्टूडियो से मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि MP के अलावा मैं एक वकील भी हूं, और आप लोगों के साथ जो दुर्व्यवहार हुआ है उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
करिए। Very good. Ashish Balal and Reet Abraham. France, I'm going to ask you in some time what these girls want. But before that, so that we can get a commitment tonight from everyone on what these girls want and what we can get for them and for your team. But before that, may I ask you, Reet, what do you think about this tremendous achievement of the girls and the fact that the authorities who could have made a difference did nothing so far? Reet.
No, but it's always a fact that, there is so much of talent in our country, but the associations and federations are not doing anything to tap that talent. But here there is a foreigner who is, made this team and taking them abroad to play the game, but he has no support. And even after the girls have gone and won laurels and come back, there is no support or no encouragement whatsoever for these girls. I'm sure these girls are nurtured and there is enough, sponsors and support for them. They can do a tremendous job, not only for the promotion of soccer in the country, but also for all the girls coming from such backgrounds. Because I think if we have to win medals for our country, it is only from the rural areas that we can really hope medals, because the city kids are really into too many other extracurricular activities and their interests are limited. But children coming from such backgrounds, we can really expect them to do wonders and win medals for our country. The associations and
Ashish Balal, what would you like to say, Ashish, on this? As a former Indian hockey star, let me get you in, Ashish. You've heard both sides of the story here tonight. What do you think went wrong in this case?
See, Arnav, these girls don't require sympathies. They need action. They need commitment from people, their MPs, the state government, assurances that things will change. Otherwise, we just keep sympathizing that what kind of background they've come and what they think. But now is the time for action, and people should deliver. Such a story has come. It's fantastic. We hats off to these girls who have crossed the barrier from nowhere to right on to the podium. It's fantastic. We salute their achievement, but it's now not about sympathies by the MPs. It is about action and what they can deliver for these kids, and see how these kids can be coached further, given the best facilities, and see them grow into star players and performers for India. And that's what the whole country could want from an achievement like this, that the government stand up, the district association, the states, the panchayat associations deliver something to these girls over there, and see that they have the basic facilities, much more than the basic facilities, because if they have achieved without no facilities, if you give them the best facilities, they can become champions.
Friends, it's time to take a commitment on the News Hour tonight. And therefore, I would like to ask you, what do your talented team of footballers need? What do they need immediately to take their talent forward? Because there are a lot of people, there's some people even calling into the Times Now newsroom, some people messaging me saying, we want to help, but what do these girls need? What can the state government and the authorities do for them?
They can simply approve the proposal that has worked its way through the government during the presidential rule. We've applied for a piece of land so we can build a residential facility, which will be a center of excellence for not just these girls, but thousands of others like them. It'll prepare them not just for soccer, but for good universities around India and abroad. And girls who are coming out of this facility can go onto the Indian national team and make the country proud, and also take care of themselves and have a proper livelihood. All they need to do is approve the proposal, and that's the only action that we need.
Well, it shouldn't be so difficult, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. It's very specific. These girls and the institute need a piece of land. They need a residential facility where they can be trained not just in soccer but in other sports to take their talent forward. What will you do for them?
Arnav, I make a statement, or I take all these issues directly to the young tribal chief minister, and I will see to it when I will meet you next time. I will let you know what effort has been.
How long, sir? A week?
No, at least 1 or 2 months.
1 month?
1 month, at least.
It should be possible in a month?
Actually, I will strive like anything.
You will strive like anything? Because
I belong to the same background the girls belong to.
Well, I know government sometimes works slow, but I assure you...
No, that is why I did not... That is why I did not comment...
They can work really fast.
That is what Morad says.
That is why I did not comment that 1 week actually when you make it. 1 month, and first of all I will see to it what type of problem they face.
1 month.
They need guidance, they need nutrition, they need a playing area. These 3 things.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be a problem.
Actually, then overall you will have to actually...
1 month, Novi, it sounds good.
Yeah.
We can follow this up in a month with the government of Jharkhand.
Yes, you can follow it with me, actually, because I am a representative of government sitting here.
I will follow up with you.
But actually, overall, actually you will have to make it sure also that the tribal players of Jharkhand, they are always being discriminated in national level.
No, 1 month. You know, today is the 1st of August.
Yes.
Reet, let me go back to you, Reet. On the 1st of September.
Yep.
1st of September, the Member of Parliament says he'll take this to the Chief Minister, what France wants. I think we follow up on the 1st of September. What do you say, Reet and Ashish Balal? Give the state government 1 month to do it. Otherwise, I think there are enough people in India who will go ahead and support this team. What do you say, Reet and Ashish? Reet.
Yes,
we should have.
I think I'll be the first one to shoot questions at him.
Yes, Reet, go on.
Yes, we're all heard him loud and clear, and I think at the 1st of September we are going to ask him questions again, and you see what he has done about his promises. And I think it's really, really important that support is required at the grassroots level for not only these kids from Jharkhand to do well, but all over our country. There is no doubt there is so much of talent, and if our kids can be given the required support, there is no dearth for winning medals at the top level for us.
I totally support that. Ashish, yes, Ashish, 1 month. What do you say, Ashish?
Absolutely, we should review this thing after 1 month and see how much is done. It's only not about Jharkhand. I think panchayats and district administrators from every district should also look into the other players and provide the facilities for them also. I think it should become a national movement now.
Absolutely. Well, Rinki, एक हमारे जो इधर जो हम नेता हैं आपके स्टेट से, झारखंड से,
नेता नहीं, उन लोगों में से एक,
ठीक है, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि 1 महीने के अंदर आपके जो कोच हैं उन्होंने कहा कि हमको ग्राउंड चाहिए खेलने के लिए और रहने का जगह चाहिए, रेजिडेंशियल फैसिलिटी, और जो चाहिए उन्होंने बात रखी है। हाँ, अच्छी पढ़ाई, जहां पे आपके लिए जो आपको सुविधा चाहिए, उन्होंने कहा 1 महीने के अंदर मुख्यमंत्री को पूछ के कराने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? हम तो उनको फिर से 1 महीने बाद पूछेंगे कि उन्होंने किया कि नहीं। आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं उनसे या अपने कोच से जो कैलिफोर्निया से देख रहे हैं?
हाँ, हेलो।
हाँ रिंकी, कैसी हो?
हम ठीक है सर।
हाँ बोलो रिंकी, बोलो।
ठीक है सर, आप कैसे हैं?
बहुत अच्छा।
हाँ ठीक।
Friends, would you like to tell them yourself what the member of parliament said?
I think that's good. I think that if they want to take action, they can do it very quickly, and I hope they do. And I think it was Novi who said exactly right what these girls need, and what every other young athlete needs is guidance, nutrition, and facilities. And at this point, these girls have got guidance, but they have no nutrition or facilities. So those are the two that we need. And I'd like to add one more thing as well. I thought it was pretty funny. I'm not sure who said it, but somebody was saying that these tournaments aren't recognized. I don't know what that means exactly, but the Donosti Cup is the biggest tournament in Spain. There's over 400 teams. In the girls category, there were over 36 teams. In Gasteiz's Cup, I think there were something like 60 or 70 teams. I mean, I think if I don't know what they mean by not recognized. I think it's a little bit funny.
No, one second. That was Subroto Roy of the All India Football Federation. I second that. Subroto Datta. Over 400 teams from 30 countries participate in this tournament. You can't run it down by saying it's not recognized. Yes, Subroto Datta.
Yes, allow me to say, Football Federation of Spain should have approached All India Football Federation that they need a team to participate in that tournament. They have to. It's a FIFA directive that a federation for any tournament has to approach another federation.
Sir,
they have to approach our federation.
Sometimes give bureaucracy a break. Sometimes give officialdom a break.
No, if they
sometimes give sports a chance.
That is the way things should be done. It is not bureaucracy. It is the right way of doing things. That a federation should approach a federation and not a club of a state.
You know, Subroto Datta, if you want to do it, you can. If you don't want to do it, you won't.
What I'm saying is absolutely right.
That's all I'll say.
You cannot negate me.
Thank you for joining me. And to Rinki, बहुत धन्यवाद. Rinki, आखिरी बार आपसे कह रहा हूँ, we are very proud of you. Thank you very much for joining.
रिंकी, हम रांची आ रहे हैं. रांची में तुमसे पर्सनली मिलेंगे.
Thank you.
और तुमको कैसा मैदान चाहिए वो मैं व्यवस्था करूंगा.
Very good.
ये मैं चैनल पर बोल के जा रहा हूँ.
Very good. Thank you very much for joining us. And congratulations to Rinki and a fantastic team. Thank you.